Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hadrat Anas narrated that I never saw the Holy Prophet ﷺ unfasted after saying prayer, even with the draught of water. Hakam 1609, Ibn Habban 3504. It is narrated that Anas ibn Malik said, the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to unfast before praying with some fresh dates, but if there were no fresh dates, he ﷺ had a few dry dates, and if there were no dry dates, he ﷺ took some mouth full of waters. Abu Dawud 2356. Hadrat Abu Huraira said that Muhammadﷺ liked to unfast with fruit or unbaked food. Abu Yala 3292. Hadrat Abu Sa'id narrated that while traveling, Muhammad unfasted with ajwa dates. Al-Tabrani al-Asad 7904.